Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Let me welcome you guys, ladies, gentlemen. Midnight Pips brought to you by Black Diamond FX in the building. All right, so tonight, just going over some forex pairs, a few futures pairs as well. See what we could find for tomorrow morning. All right, so let's see. Those of you that have been following me for a while, you already know favorite pairs, GBP, JPY. All right. And this was, let's see something. I was looking at this. Yeah, I did this a few days ago. 73 pips smashed. Boom. See that? All right. That's GJ. So let's see if we could find what we could find on GJ for in the morning. Looks like it's already running away from us. So we may have to look elsewhere. All right. And what I would suggest on this one, if you want to trade on GJ, most likely you would have to wait for a pullback. All right. Let me see something. We might have had something here. Let's take a look. Now, this is minor structure here. Now, normally I would start on a daily. All right. And I'll look for my liquidity being taken out daily. You could either go to the weekly or the monthly as well. See if we go to the weekly. We can see liquidity taken out right here. And price continue to go up. Now, most likely there was something that came down to, watch this, here, and gave us an entry. So let's see. From there, we go down to the smaller time frame. All right. So this was here, 4 hour. All right. Now these candles here was actually this wick right here. This wick. See this wick right here on this candle? That's actually these candles here. All right. So knowing that, 2 hour, one. All right. Nothing really came back down into it. All right. Came up, down, and then went on about his business. And that was on the right there. Perhaps I should have did this. All right. But anyway, we found this on the weekly. All right. This liquidity grab, liquidity being taken out at this low right here. Okay. And if we go on to the daily, all right. You see, there's nothing here on the daily. So let's continue to go down. Let's go to the 4. Okay. So what happened on the 4? There was no imbalance until around here. All right. So we have breaker structure right here. All right. Right there. Okay. And we have our imbalance between here and here. All right. And this could be our order block as well, our zone. And look what happened. Boom. Easy peasy. All right. How many pips that ran for? And this is on a 4-hour chart, y'all. If you could have got in here or here. If you missed this one, catch it on the retap. And if you're still in, look at that. 419.8 pips in 5 days. Come on, man. That's how we roll. All right. Now, I'm going to show y'all how I do this. So if I go to the 1 hour, right, this came down, took liquidity out right here. All right. So what I would do is, those of you that's been following me with my standard deviation, I would go from the low that took out the liquidity to the high that was broken in structure. All right. And you can either look for liquidity in between the -2 and the -2.5 or somewhere around the -4. All right. And liquidity in between the -2 and the -2.5 as you guys can see, we have liquidity here at this fair value gap. Boom. And look what happened. Boom. So look, check this out. See where this fair value gap is? Boom. And look, off your entry from here, boom, right there. And you would have gotten approximately 137, 38 pips in 8 hours. All right, on GJ. And if you were to target the -4, look what happened. See the -4 right here? Look at the -4. Boom. Look, wicked it. Boom. Perfect, y'all. All right. That's how I do this. That's how I'm able to pass $250,000 futures prop firm evaluations. All right. That's how I'm able to pass them. I'm talking about quickly, in a week, in less than a week, in a matter of days. All right. But you have to be patient with these. You have to be very, very patient, as with all trades. Now, let me let you guys know something. I don't enter on the 1 hour. I enter on the 15-minute. I just showed you that 1 hour. All right. Because it was there. Actually, the 4 hour was there. All right. The 4 hours where we found this. This was a 4-hour imbalance. Right. See that little? All right. See right here? This was a 4-hour imbalance right there. All right. And then you got the imbalance plus the block right here. Boom. Perfect. And it broke structure. All right. Let's see if we can find another one. Now this is gone. This is gone. Gone and it's going. All right. So most likely, let's see, 15-minute. I wouldn't look for nothing probably lower than that. Maybe wait for something to pull back, but it might take a little while. So I would let this one go. All right, let me erase my chart. Let's look at GBP USD. We're gonna go to the daily on that one as well. Okay. So if we look at GBP USD, all right, I really don't like the way this is looking because this can go either way. All right. Let's see monthly. Let's look at the monthly. So see, it had been bearish, but here it look like it may be coming up. This right here looks like it took out monthly liquidity right here. But we still have 9 days and 15 hours left on this monthly candle. But let's just say, well, you know what? This is coming up and look what happened. So we took our monthly liquidity down here. So let's take a look at this down here. Now I don't know if we're gonna be able to go that far back, but let's just see. All right. So if I go to the weekly, okay, take out, daily, okay. See how, all right, took out liquidity here. There was a little small fair value gap there. And look what happened. It got taken out right here with this wick. See, it's a little tiny, tiny fair value gap right in between this wick, first wick, and third wick. In between the top and bottom of these wicks, it's small. All right. Plus, you went down and tapped into your zone, your order block. Either you do it here. I like to bring it all the way down to the bottom. And look what happened. Tap down into it, into your block. Boom. Went on about his business. All right. Now I would have put my standard deviation from here to here. In between the -2 and the -2.5. Boom. Look, these equal highs right here are not semi, fairly equal. And you even have this. Either one of these you could target. Either one of these highs. All right. Even this one. That's 1, 2, 3, and fair value gap right there. Let's say we targeted the fair value gap. Let's see. Will we have taken profit? Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Right. Look at that. I mean, tapped it. Y'all see this? I mean, tapped it right there. And how many pips was this on GBP USD? 758 pips in 63 days. All right. 63 and a half days. 63 days. All right. But remember, we're supposed to be looking for something now. This, I would say, is probably bullish. All right. And if it is a daily chart, um, I'm looking at this looks a bit interesting here. As you can see, it took out this liquidity here, right? Broke the structure. If I go here to here, all right, what do we have in between the -2 and the -2.5? -2, -2.5. Look, we got this like right here at the -4. Look at the -4. We got this high right here, external liquidity, right there. So I would set that as my target on GU. All right. Now let's go back and look for our entry. All right. So your entry, your entry, it look like it's coming down. So your entry might be down here somewhere. I would say, let's see, 30 minute. Y'all gotta excuse me. I'm scrolling way back. All right, look, fair value gap, structure break, order block, or zone, whatever you want to call it, right there. All right. Now this is a 27 pip zone. All right. So what you want to do is wait until price either tap it and then start moving away, and then maybe wait for a retracement back to a new zone, or let the candles come inside the zone and look for your reversal pattern. Now, if you guys don't know what the reversal pattern is, this is it right here. It's going to come down. You want to see it come down. Boom, boom, boom. All right. And then come up, break structure right here. Come down either to a block or imbalance or something right here. Something, some sort of POI. It may even come to a breaker right up in here. All right. But come down somewhere. All right. And then boom. All right. Once you get the rejection here, then you can take your trade going up. All right. But that's what we want to see this inside of here somewhere. If the candles come down, we may just get a wick and then it move away, but you never know. And plus on top of that, it's like 100 pips away. All right. So let's see what else we got going on. GBP USD right there. All right. Let's look at, hold on one second. Let me lower this down a little bit. Oops, my bad. All right. That's GBP USD. Okay. Let's look at US 30. US 30, the US 30 spiked me down right here, but then it went on up. Did what it did. Let's go on a daily. Take a look and see what US 30 doing. All right. So this is the daily. US 30. As you can see, it's still bullish. See how we respected this zone right here. All right. Seems to be respecting this zone here as well. All right. So I will most likely, let's see something. Okay, we got boom, boom there. Took out liquidity. Go down to the 4. Boom, boom. Okay. So it came up, didn't beat this, came back down, then it respected it and went up. Okay, so our break of structure was here, right here. Boom, this was our break. Liquidity grab. All right, so if I go here to here, -2 to -2.5, what do we have? Nothing. I don't think price has ever been that high on US 30. Nope, price never been that high on US 30. So in a situation like this, I would probably just target, like if we come back down, looking at this, we could get an entry down here, or possibly right here somewhere, possibly up in here somewhere. All right. But I'll wait for it to come back down. And my target would be, I would probably target minus one first. Minus one is a good retracement level. All right. So it could target minus one, get a retracement. If you enter when you get your entry down here, go to your minus one, right? And make sure you move your stop at least to break even or some form of structure up in there. I would say break even. I would say move it to break even. All right. Break even should be your best option. All right. Because what you want to do is it's going to, all right, you want to see it come down, right? And then go up. Boom. And then once it starts going up even more, then you can move it right to below structure that it tested. So 9 times out of 10, it's not going to come back there. All right. Then you can probably target the -2, then the -2.5, but we'll see. Now, I'm saying all that, but remember, tomorrow is FOMC, interest rate decisions. Okay. So all this can possibly change. All this can possibly change. Or it can be a catalyst for our move. Okay. So we can see a possible entry. Now this is 4 hour. Might take some time to develop, but we could possibly see an entry around here or somewhere around here. If there's a breaker up in there. All right. Let's look at gold. I haven't looked at gold in a minute. All right. On the daily. Remove drawings. All right. So as you can see, we're still bullish. A lot of bullish action. Okay. All these wicks indicating to me that price is about to turn and go continue on its way up. Break out of this little rectangle. Triangle. Rectangle. I'm tripping, y'all. All right. So now let's see what we got. So notice we don't have a break of structure yet. We don't have a break of structure yet. This is coming down. And if you know your patterns, your chart patterns. Now, I don't trade chart patterns, but I do take notice of them. Look at that. See that? So I think this is going to come down some, go up. I think it's going to come down some, go up, break out, take out this liquidity overhead right here. All right. And then once it does that, we can see it come back down and then boom, something like this. Watch, let me show you. All right. Break out, boom, come down, boom, and then continue on up on gold. All right. And if it happens like that on gold, 9 times out of 10, that means the dollar index may drop. May. Because the dollar index normally moves opposite of gold. Okay. See this happening coming up right here. Man, I could have made a killing on this right here. All right, let's see. Let me look back at gold. All right. See how it's almost opposite. DXY. Let's look at it on the daily. Look at that. A lot of consolidation. Now this looks like it could be on this way. The dollar index. Is the dollar index going up? Is gold going to drop? Looking at it on the daily on that big time frame like that. I don't know, y'all. I might have to change my directional bias. All right, but I'm gonna stick with what I see for right now. All right, I'm gonna stick with what I see. I'm gonna go with my gut, go with my instincts. Normally I'm pretty right, pretty accurate. All right. But I'm looking at gold to do something like that. All right. Now let's look at some futures, my faves, my favorites. All right, let's see. Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin been dropping. See, I was expecting Bitcoin to continue going up, but and you know what? I did tell somebody on Facebook that I wasn't convinced that Bitcoin was ready for its bull run. That $100,000 run. All right. But as you can see, Bitcoin been falling. All right. Look at this. Boom. I think it's gonna fall some more too. I'm looking at Bitcoin probably about in the 50s, somewhere in the low 50,000, maybe even down here somewhere. Let me see something. Hold on. I put my standard deviation fibs here to here. All right, -2. Boom. Okay, okay. So, man, y'all see that? -2 reversed. And look at that. Well, it was close. -2 right here. Right. But it spiked up -2. So I think the next target for Bitcoin will be the -4, which is at around the 93 level, 93,000. All right. And Bitcoin is very bullish. Very bullish. Oh, look at this wick. This is on a monthly. Y'all see that? Ooh. All right. So I'm looking at Bitcoin probably come down to about 49.5. This is monthly. Yeah, Bitcoin will right there. I'll probably be looking for Bitcoin to come at least to right there somewhere. 49.5, 50,000, somewhere in that area. All right. Daily. Let's see, look, we got this right. We got this area of let's call it a supply zone. I mean demand zone, I'm sorry. Right down up in there. All right. It's a lot of money still left down there. Look, order block right down there. I think Bitcoin is going to come down up into there somewhere between 53,000 and 50,000. Somewhere between 50 and 53,000. All right. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to continue going down. I'm gonna just set this at 93 profit level. 93. All right, there's Bitcoin futures now. Just to remind you guys. So if you guys have a prop firm challenge or you're just trading Bitcoin, you know, just keep an eye out on that. Okay. Another pair that this does me, I'm saying pair, but another asset that does me real good is crude oil, light crude. All right. It's kind of jumbled up right here, but it is bullish. All right. Let's see, go down to 4. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see if I go down to the 1. Y'all, excuse me, I'm a little tired. I've been working hard today, doing some painting for my wife. So y'all just gotta excuse me for a little bit. All right, but I'm not gonna keep you guys too long anyway, because I know it's like 1 something. All right, so crude ain't really showing me nothing too impressive. Let's look at S&P. Oh, this is S&P. This is my hold on, let me end this right here. This is my paper trading. When I'm not in my prop firm, I like to paper trade just to keep the skills sharp. Okay. But look, check it out. I had S&P coming down. It actually hit here and came down. It just went back up. I didn't get out of the trade. Right. But look, see, this was my standard deviation. It came down. See what happened? It came down to -2 and then went. So now I think it's gonna come down to the -4. I should have left my trade on. I should have left my trade on, but it's all good. I ain't worried about it. Actually, this the -1 right here. It just wicked it. So yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna come down to here. This -2 right here. I think I got a little too much on right there. All right, there we go. It's right down there. Let me see something. I want to see how these line up. This one. All right. So the -2, -4. So the -2.5 and the -4 lines up here. Right. But yeah, I think this gonna come. You know what? I'm gonna get back in it. I don't know why. 5 units. Take profit at 5143.75. Stop loss. I mean, this is paper trade, and I'm just working on my skills, so I'm not too concerned. I'm gonna just put my stop loss 52, 53, 3. Make it 3.5. All right, boom, sell. There we go. And if y'all guys didn't know, you can paper trade on TradingView. All right. Now I do have a TraderVate account that I connect. This is not it. All right. Let's look at gold futures. Gold futures is gonna look similar to gold. All right. And remember, gold, I was bullish on gold, right? So it makes sense I'll be bullish on gold futures. All right. See that? Boom. Same setup. Same setup. 21.85. See gold right here. 2160.2. 2157. Just a slight difference, not too big. All right. But it's pretty much the same. HG is copper. I don't think I've taken any copper trades yet. All right. But as you can see, copper is also bullish. It's responding to something here in this area right there. On the daily, let's see, let's do some investigating. Look at that right here. See right here, this could be a breaker block coming through here, boom. Or we could make this a little bit smaller. Let's see. Could come down and then go up from there. Copper futures. All right. And if I put, once again, all right, -1. What did we have over here? Was there anything? All right. So look, -2 is here. See, we got these highs over here, -2, -2.5 right here. Look, -4, this high right here. See that? Come on, man. Y'all better get on this. Y'all better get on this, man. I can teach you guys this. If you guys want to learn how to trade, if you guys want to know how to do this, I can teach it to you. But I'm done with discounts. I'm letting you guys know right now, I'm done with discounts. No more discounts because people really do not respect discounts. People do not respect free. I've tried, and I'm tired of being disrespected by my people. Some people fairly close to me that I consider friends, they just have no respect for your time at all. None. So that being said, you guys, I'm done with discounts. I'm done with discounts, like for real. All right. So this is the Nikkei, Nikkei, USD futures. I think Nikkei is like Japanese or something. So let's see what we got. We go to the weekly. All right. So look, we got a liquidity sweep right here. Now let's see. Now let's go down. We go to the daily, look, we got a break of structure right here. Excuse me. I like we might be having some sales on this. Break of structure. Oh, change of character, whatever you want to call it. All right, 4 hour. Ooh, look at that right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Boom, just tapped it right there. Just tapped it, okay? So now I put my standards. Look where I went down to -2. All right. -2. Almost. It ain't close to it. So my next target will be that -4. And what do we have at -4? See, we got kind of like see the top, see this consolidation right here? See the top of this consolidation right here? Line up with this -4 right on the inside. That's what I'm gonna target. All right. Some may consider that a breaker. Now, this is a big target. Like you really don't have to go down that far. All right, you really don't. Now you could target something here. You could target. This is just I ain't gonna say a practice target. This is something I'm just trying to see. All right, but you really don't have to, because that's a lot of. Check this out. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something. If I get in a trade right now, right where price is at currently, and take it all the way down, I'm gonna just do one contract. Let's see what one contract will look like. Take profit at 36535. 17,000. That's on one contract. Stop loss. I can put my stop loss up here. 40420. Stop loss 1850. Come on, man. Who wouldn't risk 1850 to get in 17,000? 17,575. That's almost 10 times. That's almost 10 times. Almost 10 times. Almost. Not quite. Almost. All right. Risk 0.36%. That's your risk. 0.36%. Come on, man. Come on, dog. You know what? I'm gonna take it. Boom. There we go. One contract. One contract. Put my arrow on. Come down. Boom. All right. And let's look at one more. NQ, like NASDAQ. And NASDAQ would have gotten me paid. Look at that, man. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Look, take profit here. Look at that. Wick my take. Come on, man. How much and how much that is from here? Let's see, what is that? 18,381. Let's see how much that would have been. Okay, 5 contracts. Okay, it was already in. Let's do a limit. Let's do a sell limit from 18,375. 375 to the take profit of, what is that? 18061.50. 061.5. $31,000. Come on, dog. But y'all, excuse me, y'all see this. Y'all seen it for yourself. This is live charts, although this is stuff that I had profit on already. This is, man, look. Come on, man. Like, y'all know I'm not pulling y'all legs. I came on this already and it was already set up. All right. Now don't get me wrong. You're gonna have some losses. Look, another one in progress, natural gas futures. Let's see what Young Money looking like. Look at Young Money down here. Look, Young Money spiked a little bit below. I kind of just messed up my zone. Well, I didn't redo my zone. Because if I would have, it would have been nice right here. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Boom. And that was today. I missed it. I didn't trade anything today because I was busy. Like I said, I was painting. But y'all see how this is, man. Y'all see how accurate my system is. Look at this. 2-year T-note futures. Come on, man. How much would this have been? Let's see. How much? How much would you have potentially made on this setup if you were trading with Black Diamond FX? 102.25. 251. Take profit. Came all the way down. You'll put it where is that? 102.06. 06 and 5. All right. One contract, 1,100. Okay. So 2-year T notes, 4 hours on. I probably wouldn't even trade that. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, that's a couple days for like $1,100. Nah. But y'all see how accurate it is, and even on stocks, I haven't been messing with stocks lately, but these are a few setups I had. Let me see. Well, let's look at it and see. Nvidia. Look at that. Took out liquidity. Boom, came back down, tested. And wow, man, I'm telling y'all, man. All right. This one I kind of messed up on. Neo. And Neo still probably can go up because I can guarantee you there's probably a zone somewhere up in this long wick right there. IVP nothing DATS. All right. This one I kind of have hopes for. I still think it's going to go up. It's just taking its time right now. But these are like the stocks, when I do straight up stocks, it's mostly buy and hold. So it's not really options. Now this right here, INOD. I think this is going to be a good one to go up. All right. I think this one might be ready. And look, we got earnings coming up May 9th. All right. Lex Luger. All right, nothing on Lex. All right, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys would like to join in with me and learn from Black Diamond FX, I have a special link for you guys. Let's see. Hold on. Boom. Go right here and sign up. All right. Go right there. Sign up. BlackDiamondFX.gumroad.com. Pick which one you want. I have three different options, I think, on there. Three? I think I have three different options. You can join the mentorship, or you could do like one-on-one. You get 3 1-hour sessions, one-on-one. I think it's like 3 1-hour sessions, one-on-one sessions for like 500. The mentorship group is 1,500 lifetime, one fee, one-time payment, $1,500. All right. Oh, and don't forget, go to my Instagram at Black Diamond_FX. Hit the follow. All right. On IG. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Deuces.